In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Adobe Illustrator files for smaller size and faster performance. If your AI documents are slow to open, lag when you zoom, or balloon in size when you save, a few targeted cleanups can make a big difference, and they're all built right into Illustrator. We'll start by trimming excess assets. Open the window menu and bring up swatches, brushes, and symbols. In each panel, remove anything you're not actively using. Extra spot colors, unused pattern swatches, legacy brushes, and stray symbols quietly bloat files because Illustrator saves all their definitions. Use the panel menu to identify unused items, then send them to the trash. Keep only the swatches and assets you truly need for this project. This alone often knocks file size down and speeds up loading. Next, lighten heavy effects by rasterizing them. Select complex objects that use things like blurs, glows, drop shadows, scatter brushes, or intricate appearances. Go to Object, then Rasterize. Choose your resolution thoughtfully. Around 150 to 200 ppi is typically fine for on-screen work, while 300 ppi is standard for print. Pick the appropriate background, usually transparent, and keep anti-aliasing on for smoother edges. Remember that rasterizing converts vectors to pixels for those effects, so treat this as a finishing move once you're happy with the look. Now, simplify overlapping transparency. With your artwork ready, head to Object and choose Flatten Transparency. This resolves stacked transparency into simpler shapes and rasterized sections where necessary, which reduces complexity and helps files render faster. Use the preview to see how many objects are being created. Keep overprints and spot colors if your workflow requires them, and avoid converting text to outlines unless it's part of final delivery. When you save, keep the file lean by turning off PDF compatibility. Go to File, Save As, choose the AI format, and uncheck Create PDF Compatible File. This can save a surprising amount of space. The trade-off is that some non-Illustrator apps can't preview the file, so only disable it when you control the editing environment. Finally, audit your linked images. High-resolution photos and textures add up quickly. Wherever quality allows, use lower-resolution versions at their final placed size. About 150 ppi for screen work and 300 ppi for print. Keep images linked rather than embedded to avoid inflating the AI file. Apply these 5 moves together and you'll notice faster panning and zooming, smoother exports, and smaller, more manageable Illustrator files.